Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RKT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, and the chart is not ruined. Let me actually squeeze things down to offer up a bit more context. So the overall trend is up, but I mean, you got to just call it like it is. I mean, this has been a severe pullback, and some I could argue that the chart is no longer pulling back, but it is actually reversed. I would still call it a pullback, but also, if somebody wanted to use the terminology such as a reversal, I probably wouldn't put up much of an argument there, mainly because, and the big dynamic that occurred today was that the price has now broken down below that pink line there, which on my chart denotes a very well-known, the very famous 200-period moving average. And even if you have a very basic, a very surface-deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200-period moving average, and you know that, assuming you're long, assuming you're bullish, then that's one of those levels that you want to see the price stay above, because that does still imply that the overarching trend is still bullish. But with the price now breaking down below there, like I said, doesn't mean it's the end of the world, but like I said, it means that I totally do understand the perspective of those people that use words such as reversal here. So the moral of the story really is the sooner the price can get back up above that level, the better. And that's going to be a main area of resistance moving forward into next week. Current value of that pink line right there, and we'll just call it 25.90. So keep a very close eye on that. And like I said, the sooner the price can get back above that area, the better, because as of right now, with the price being down below it, it does make sense to use, like I said, that trading terminology such as a reversal. Now, my must-hold point where, if this area is broken, then yeah, I would definitely consider this a reversal, would be this area right at 2250. If you go through the history of the chart, 2250 was basically the bottom portion of this gap up here, and then right there, it's right where it bounced from today. So if the price were to go down there and then break below there, at that point, in my opinion, okay, yeah, the chart is officially no longer pulling back, but it is just reversed around. So 2250, in my opinion, key area of support moving forward. But as of right now, yeah, things are looking shaky, but I think the price still has an opportunity to try to work things back upwards. So we'll see if the bulls can get things under control or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.